Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 3 of this series. I wanted to make sure it would work and to show the person I'm trying to help that it worked. First, we did 4-digit numbers, and we put them in the center, and then we enveloped them. And I should have already had the envelope open. And whoop, place inside form, and you get that. But it'll work with 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers. So we're going to select our number. You want to select your number first, then your rectangle, and hit the shift while holding down the shift key. Well, yeah, hold down the shift key and go EC, and then grab your word or your phrase or your numbers and go in form. See, it put them in the same envelope. So this will work with anything. And if I would think it would be easier to put them all in there first. I'm just doing EC. I think this is really the easiest way, and you could go CE, but it looks kind of funny. But then just grab that envelope form from there, grab that envelope form there, grab that envelope from, and put it in there. So it's going to work, it makes the letters and the numbers smaller to fit in that envelope, but if you look, they're all the exact same size. That's still not as good as print merge, but I've used print merge, but I've never done really a real job with it. I've just done a couple of videos. And if you want to search my channel for print merge and find out more about that, but you could have, any size number. Let's make it, more digits. Shift select the next box, EC. Well, I'm sorry, I closed down the envelope. And then select your text, envelope from, and see it, put it in there. Doesn't matter what size it is or what it is, it's going to put it in that envelope form. So if you don't understand what we're doing, you need to watch parts 1 and 2. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit more, and thank you for watching.